Now we are using Google Classroom and we're learning from home, we must make sure that we are putting 100% effort into our learning as we would in school. We can use our 6 pillars of being a successful citizen to help us. When we start the day on our Google Meet, we must make sure we're absolutely ready. We should have had breakfast and we should have woken up early and get all our things organised for the day. Even though you're at home, you must treat it as though it is a proper school day. And when you're on the Google Meet, you must show respect. You must sit up properly, look attentive, that means listening appropriately and being dressed appropriately too. Make sure you've had your breakfast. There's nothing worse than seeing a child on the Google Meet, which I have done, just eating their breakfast. It's not a great look. Also, if you have the chat facility, make sure you use that responsibly for communicating with your class teacher appropriately. Make sure you have a growth mindset approach, which means that you go for the challenge if it is there. Challenge yourself. Don't just give up. Put lots of effort in. And of course, you need to think about your presentation. Have pride in the end product. So when you press that button to the teacher and show your teacher the work, it should be the best it can be. If it's not good enough the first time, do it again. And have courage to act on feedback. Take it positively. If you conform to these 6 pillars with your home learning, you will be successful. Now, Mrs. Moore would like to pop into your classrooms, and this week she will be, so watch out for her. She'll just appear at any time. She won't be knocking on the door at all. So make sure that all of you are thinking about the 6 pillars to make sure that you have a really good learning experience.